Unraveling, a train of thought, journey through language. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going on a fascinating journey through language to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, a train of thought. This expression is a staple in English conversations and writing, but what does it really mean? Stick around as we dive deep into its significance, origins, and how you can use it effectively in your own communication. The phrase, a train of thought, refers to a sequence of ideas or a line of reasoning within someone's mind. Just like a train moves along a track from one point to another, a train of thought moves from one idea to the next in a connected, orderly manner. It's often used when discussing how people think, reason, or come to conclusions. Interestingly, the origin of a train of thought lies in the way we visualize thought processes. The word train, in this context, doesn't refer to the modern vehicle but to its older meaning of a sequence or series of things. This phrase beautifully captures the idea of thoughts being linked together, forming a coherent path or direction in the mind. Using a train of thought in conversation can help clarify how you or someone else reached a particular idea or decision. For example, I lost my train of thought indicates that you've forgotten what you were going to say next. Let me follow this train of thought for a moment. Suggests that you want to explore a particular line of reasoning. Your train of thought is very interesting. Acknowledges that someone's sequence of ideas or reasoning is noteworthy. Maintaining a clear train of thought is crucial for effective communication. Here are a few tips. Stay focused. Avoid distractions that could derail your train of thought. Organize your ideas. Before speaking or writing, outline your main points to ensure a logical flow. Pause and reflect. Sometimes, taking a brief pause can help you gather your thoughts and keep your train of thought on track. Understanding and using the phrase, a train of thought, can enrich your communication, making your ideas clearer and more engaging. Whether you're speaking, writing, or just pondering over your own thoughts, remember the importance of this fascinating journey through the mind. We hope this video has shed some light on the subject and added a valuable tool to your linguistic toolkit. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.